Beaver. Thank you. Any donation, anybody. I take Indian money. I take child support money. I take fortune cookies. I take college credits. I like Indian money. Yeah. I take white man shoes and socks. I take school lunch like
That's awesome.
Where's that Indian? Indian! You like what happened today? Did you like what? Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber. Believer. Thank you, lady. Thank you. Keep that money coming. I take Indian money. I take Indian money. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give $2 out of the money I made to one of you people on this train. I want the guy with the yellow hat to get it.
Yeah!
I'll give you half. What's the name of the person who made this song? You get it right, the guy with the yellow hat will get $2.
No one say anything.
What's the name of the person who made this song? You ready? Here it goes. Yeah. Guy with the yellow hat, you ready? Yeah. Here it goes. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. No. What you say? You say what you say. He got $2. What you say? Go ahead. Tell me what's his name. Anybody know the name of the person who made that song? And tell me right now. He would get $2.
Uncle Sam.
Hell no.
Richie Bound?
Indian, you know?
He gets a piece of all of it anyway.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jose Feliciano. Jose Feliciano. Your dad is smart. Your daddy is smart. He knows all the music. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what's the name of the person who made this song? This is a white man. What white man made this song? Sweet home Alabama.
Leonard Skinner.
What's his name?
Leonard Skinner.
Yes! That wasn't a money song though. Now, ladies and gentlemen.
Sucks to be you, yellow hat.
What's the name of the person who made this song? We are the champions, my friend. Yes, Queen. What's the name of the person who made this song? Hey, hey, with a monkey. Can't have messing around. I got it. Anybody know?
Brody Lagerstrom.
Hell no.
It's Brody Lagerstrom. I know it.
John goes Brody Lagerstrom.
Ladies and gentlemen, Indian, you know? You know Indian. Ladies and gentlemen.
Make up your own song like you did before.
This next song we're going to play, ladies and gentlemen, is very hard. What's the name of the person who made this song? You like Pepsi?
Ladies and gentlemen, backpacks and other large containers are subject to random search by the police.
Just beat it. Beat it, beat it, beat it.
Not in a train.
Beat it. Yes, Michael Jackson. Ladies and gentlemen, what's the name of the group that made this song? Yahoo! Celebration time, come on! Yes, yes, you've been hanging out with some black people. Good again. Ladies and gentlemen, what's the name of the group that made this song? What's the name of the person who made this song? You get it right, I'll kiss the lady with the red scarf. Ladies and gentlemen. Hey! Come on! Wow! You can feel it all over. You can feel it. What'd you say? Oh, goddamn white lady. Thank you. Oh, she gonna say she got kissed by a nigga on the first.
You gotta kiss me next.
You can feel it all over. You can feel it all over. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the first white lady I kissed in my life. First white lady I kissed in my life. You see that little girl? You see that little girl? You see it? Ladies and gentlemen,
There's magic going on in the street.
my name is magic going on. My name is Justin Bieber. I love you all. I wrote another song. What's the name of the person who made this song? With or without you, I can't live. I can't live with or without you. Lady with the red scarf. I like the lady with the red scarf. I can't live with or without you. Come on, Chinese. Whoa! 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 I said, whoa! With or without the lady with the red scarf. I love you. I really do. And the Indian too. Whoa, Indian too. Oh yes, I do. Lady with the goddamn red scarf. With the red scarf, she got college credits. I said I love you. Ladies and gentlemen, this song is for Don.
What about me?
Come on. I can't get no satisfaction. I can't get no satisfaction when I play my guitar. When I play my guitar, I said I can't get no satisfaction. 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 Girl with the pink hood. Satisfaction.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rolling Stones. What's the name of the group that made this song? This is real hard. This is going to be a hard one. And it goes like this. Left a good job down in the city, working for the white man every night and day. I couldn't get just a little bit of sleep. I was worried about the way things might be. Big wheels keep on turning.
What is it?
Brown Clearwater.
Credits.
Clearwater, that's right. Clearwater. Boy, you know your music. What is the name of the group that made this song? Ooh, sugar pie, honey bunch. You know that I love you.
Temptations.
Nope, that's the Temptations. Can't help myself. And start with a number. Number is 5. Yes. Oh, the Chinese lady got it. 4,000. The Chinese lady got it.
Woo, Chinese lady.